Playgroup teacher. Okay, today we will learn about phonics. It's letter sound. It's letter sound. This is a story of letter sound. A girl is outside playing with her toy zebra. She watched a big bumblebee which is buzzing around the daisies. As it goes from flower to flower, it makes a loud buzzing sound. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now I will show you how to say this letter sound. It's letter sound. It's letter sound. This is letter sound. And this one, how you write letter sound. Letter sound. And how you write letter sound. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now I will show you the action of letter sound. Okay, you put your hands beside your body like this and flap it like a bird while you saying zzz. Can you do it? Zzz. One more time. Zzz. Okay, Rainbow Kids, this is the things that start with letter sound. Zzz. First, zebra. Next, zipper, zigzag, and zero. Zebra, zipper, zigzag, zero. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now let's listen to the sound of letter sound. Zzz. Let's go, music.
Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this.
Okay, one more time.
Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this.
Good job, Rainbow Kids.
Okay, Rainbow Kids, now let's find letter sound Z. Let's give circle which one letter sound Z. Yeah, this is letter sound Z. Let's give circle. Okay, next we need to find something like this, okay? Letter sound Z. This one? No. This one? No. Yeah, that one is letter sound Z. Next, this one. And then follow the line, yeah. And then next, this one is uppercase of letter sound Z. And the last one is this. This is the lowercase of letter sound Z. Okay, next, give circle to the things that start with letter sound Z. Okay, let's find car. Car, do you think car start with letter sound Z? No. What about zebra? Zebra. Yeah, let's give circle. And then here, tiger, do you think tiger start with letter sound Z? No. What about zoo? Z, z, zoo. Correct. Let's give circle. Next, hat. Do you think hat start with letter sound Z? Z, z, hat? No. And then ninja. Do you think ninja start with letter sound Z? No. The last one, zero. Z, z, zero. Correct. Let's give circle. We done.
Okay, Rainbow Kids, that's all about letter sound. Let's meet again in my next video. Bye bye.